Residents across Midwestern Ontario are bracing for dangerous blizzard conditions as snow squalls and powerful winds wreak havoc across the region.
We got freaking dumped on big time again. That's my number board, and it's 4.5 feet. I think there's probably at least 5 feet on top of that roof. Buddy's going crazy with the snowblower.
South Bruce OPP have closed key routes, including Highway 21 from Amberley to Kincardine and beyond, due to near-zero visibility caused by blowing snow.
It's nice on the trees. Stopped snowing for a short amount of time, but I think it's going to start up again. I have to go to work.
Additional road closures include Bruce Road 23 and sections of Highway 19, with local authorities urging everyone to stay home.
And then, okay, so we have to stay to the far side, but don't get too far.
You go in the middle lane, you're gonna lose a bumper. You got a small enough car, right? Like, look at that chunk.
By mid-morning, the municipality of Kincardine announced that all snowplows were pulled off rural roads, citing unsafe conditions. Shortly after, the OPP warned that road conditions were rapidly deteriorating.
Why, who's your favorite?
John. Okay.
You got his truck moving? Okay, you guys.
Snowfall is expected to total 20 to 30 centimeters by Friday, with localized accumulations near Lake Huron possibly reaching 80 centimeters.
In Muskoka, the picturesque view is awesome. Did we ever get dumped on last night? Holy Christ. See ya.
Blizzard and snow squall warnings are in effect for much of Midwestern Ontario, including North Huron County, Grey County, and South Bruce County.
Just unbelievable. So much fucking snow. Got the cars unburied, and the lot got plowed, but Jesus Christ, the amount of snow on the roof is incredible. I think we got at least...
Winds gusting up to 80 kilometers per h are intensifying the crisis, creating drifts and reducing visibility to almost nothing.
There's a little break in the sky, but we got some more shit coming today. It's supposed to snow all week too. That's all our propane tanks. Our generator conked out. We don't have power now. So my barbecue is under there somewhere.
Environment Canada has cautioned that travel is nearly impossible in affected areas, urging residents to stay indoors. Numerous school closures and bus cancellations have been reported across Huron, Perth, and Bruce Grey counties. Emergency officials emphasize the need for preparedness, advising those who must travel to inform others of their plans and carry emergency kits. Meanwhile, Ontario Premier Doug Ford announced the creation of a specialized disaster response team, Ontario Corps, which recently aided residents during a severe snowstorm in Gravenhurst. This initiative aims to enhance disaster relief efforts through collaboration with local organizations. The storm's effects extend beyond Ontario. In New York State, lake-effect snow has buried towns south of Buffalo under more than 60 centimeters of snow, with wind gusts causing massive drifts and hazardous conditions. A state of emergency has been declared in Buffalo as cleanup efforts are underway, though progress is slow due to freezing temperatures. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.